Hi, this is Mrs. Young again with a nice safe lesson. This one is about social media and privacy with Dot and I. E-rate, social networking. What is social media? Vocabulary for lesson. Online community. A digital place where people meet, chat, and share photos through the internet. Social media. Websites or apps that people use to create and share photos, videos, and posts. Permission, the act of allowing someone to do something. Private, only available for one person or a small group of people to see and use. Public, open and available for everyone to see and use. Now everybody get together for a group photo. Click. They're taking a picture. My new phone is great. Now that I have these photos, I can always remember this special day. It's probably his birthday. Photogram. Photogram is so much fun and easy to use. We don't have photograms. Pretend. First, I upload the photo into Photogram. Next, I type some words about the photo. Then I tag my friends so that other people can tell who is in the photo. So see how he put Dot and Sam and Dash and Bebo and Jojo and Dottie and Slash, all of his friends in the photo. Last, I tag the place where I took this photo. So the place, like if he went to Chuck E. Cheese, that's a place. Or Aunt Beth's house, or a park, or a city, Los Angeles, California. I shared the photo of our friends on Photogram. Have you thought about the people who belong to this online community? It says, great, wow, what a fun party. Please untag me. Who are the people in your community? So people in your community might be your family, your friends, your parents' friends, your brothers or sisters' friends, extended family, aunts, uncles, cousins, Ninas, neighbors, people who live around you, people who live in your city. If you're part of clubs or sports or activities or churches or synagogues or temples or anything like that, those people are part of your community. I did not think of Photogram as a community. Have you thought about the people who belong to this online community? The internet is not a place I can see. That is right, the internet connects you to many people, but you cannot see all of these people. I only want to share photos with people that I have met in real life. Good choice, Your careful choices will help you to stay safe. Is your Photogram page set to public or private? It looks like my profile is public. What does public mean? When my page is set to public, anyone can see my photos. Photogram is a great way to be social, but you also need to be safe. Oh, I see. This party is private, not public. This birthday party is a good example of a social event. But this party is not for everyone. This party is only for people who know Dash in real life. I tagged the faces of everyone in the photo. I also shared the place where I took the photo. What can people find out about you and your friends in this photo? Private is the opposite of public. People that you do not know can see what your friends look like, their real names, and even the places that you visit in the real world. Look, I can switch my Photogram page to private. Now I am only sharing my photos with the friends that I know in real life. That is a good choice. Everyone has a right to privacy, even the people in the photo. What is that, Dot? Now, there is one more thing. You can show respect for your friend's privacy by asking them for permission before you share a photo of them on Photogram. I care about my friends. I will ask for their permission to share this photo. Social media is a fun way to share photos, videos, and chat with other people. I'm glad that we had this talk about social media and privacy, Dot. Remember that nothing on the internet is ever completely private. And that's the end.